How is the messaging in your sales funnel template? In this video, I'm going to reveal how to create the right messaging in your sales funnel template that has exactly what your customers need to hear in order to buy from you. Stay tuned. You know, if you're watching this video, maybe you've been watching a lot of Miles Beckler videos, Neil Patel, learning how to set up your sales funnel. And what we're going to discuss in this video is how to create the right messaging for your target market so that they want to purchase from you. In order to do that, we're going to be using a tool called visualization, which is something you hear me talk a lot about on this channel recently, and it's a tool that I practice daily. It's part of my morning routine. What it is in its most simple terms, a mental rehearsal for what you want to achieve. So you're envisioning in your mind's eye, whatever that is. It could be your big goals that you have for yourself, like what you want to make in revenue next year, all the way down to your sales funnel. And we can get very detailed with this in these mental rehearsals we do in our mind. In my book, The Secret to Visualization, I go beyond this. So this video is going to stay pretty high level, talking about visualization more from the practical terms. But if you really want to bring spirituality in your sales and connect with your customer on a much deeper level, I highly recommend you go check out my free book. There's a link below to my website where you can download it for free. Now, one of the big benefits to bringing visualization into your sales funnel template and design at this early stage is that it's going to cut down the time it takes you to actually build your funnel by 10x. I'm not joking here, because instead of trying to guess what your customers are thinking, you're actually going to put yourself in their shoes and experience purchasing from you on a very deep level. And this is so important because even though if you've never done a visualization before, it might not feel like it, we often have a tendency of kind of being disconnected from our customers. And that's a real problem because we start to get in our own heads thinking about what I want. You know, maybe you're thinking right now about the money you want to make from this product you're selling online, or you're thinking about the time that you need to sell it by, and you're putting a lot of pressure on yourself. When we get in that animalistic mindset, it actually prevents us from achieving the goals that we have set out to accomplish. So if you're trying to sell, let's call it 100 units of your online course next month, you can do that. But if you're thinking in terms of you instead of what your customer needs and the message that they need to hear to buy from you, you're gonna find that your sales just aren't happening. So what we're going to do is bring visualization into your sales funnel and cut down the time it takes you to have the right message for your customers by 10x. And the way we're gonna do this to get started is I want you to close your eyes and just think about how people are finding you. Maybe it's a Google ad or a Facebook ad, whatever that is, try to visualize what that ad looks like. Try to notice details about it. What does it say? What words stick out to you on that ad? Look at the call to action and any pictures on it. And as you look at this ad, this is the first step in your sales funnel. I want you to feel a very positive feeling towards it. Feel joy, gratitude. Be very thankful that you're seeing this ad that's turned out so well. Now place yourself in the shoes of your customer. You're no longer you. Who are you? Who is your target customer? Where are you? Are you looking at this ad on your phone or computer? And notice how you too feel a very strong feeling of joy, gratitude, to have found an ad that seems to address a real problem you have. What is that problem? And now look at the ad and click on it. And you're brought to this landing page. What are the first words at the top of the page? Really experience this as if it's real. And now start to scroll down the page and just notice what's the general look and feel of it. What are different words on the page that pop out to you that express that this is actually solving your needs as a customer? Look at any pictures on the page. Maybe you're receiving an award on one of them. What are the ways that this page is communicating the kind of testimonials and proof that the product actually works? And as you continue to scroll around this page, notice that you start to feel a very positive feeling again. One of gratitude. Your problem might actually be solved. And as you keep scrolling, you notice a buy button come up. What does it say? And now click it. Now we're beyond the landing page and we're gonna go through your shopping cart. Notice this first page of your cart. What does it say? How do you feel? Is it on any specific platform? And now notice how positively you feel here. I want you to bring yourself to the point of checkout as the customer of this product, and we're going to click the button in just a second. Now I want you to bring yourself to the point of actually purchasing this product. But before we do that, let's really try to raise our vibration to its highest state we can. You know, as you're looking at this page, really feeling yourself living as your customer, I want you to think about something that you're grateful for. It could be anything. It could be someone special in your life or something that happened to you. And as you bring the positive feelings of whatever this is to mind, allow yourself to feel a deep sense of gratitude and notice where that's happening in your body. When I snap my finger, double your feeling of gratitude in this moment. Now bring yourself back to the point of purchase, and when we click this button, I want you to connect with yourself as two people. I want you to be your customer and you at the same time, feeling a sense of giving and receiving all at once. We're going to do this on a count of 3. Click the button in 3, 2, 1. Notice how positively you feel right now in this moment. You've just connected with your customer in the most incredible way. Now I want you to keep feeling a deep sense of gratitude for this entire moment. So what you just did is connected with your customer on a very deep, hopefully spiritual level. I imagine you discovered new things that you need to add to your sales funnel in the process. Now, what you should do from here is repeat this exercise every morning when you wake up for the next 7 days, each day, you're going to discover more and more of what needs to be added to your sales funnel in order to really connect with your customers with the right messaging to make them want to purchase from you. Because what you're actually going to be doing is building this strong sense of empathy for their situation so that you actually would buy from you too. For those of you who are new to the channel, I'm a former evil investment banker turned entrepreneur in 2012. And since then, I've been buying and selling companies. I also have advised countless entrepreneurs over the past 5 years who have cumulatively raised $147 million with 3 exits. What it really starts to come down to is the entrepreneurs who do best are the ones who can keep their mindset together and then also really understand that product market fit. And so that's what we're covering in this video, is talking about that product market fit and how to find it more easily without overthinking things. And so when you bring this practice of visualization into your morning routine, amazing things happen. Now, if you're interested in getting serious about this, I definitely recommend you learn more about Unity visualization in my book. Anyone can visualize, and the mental rehearsal actually does have very scientifically proven benefits. But you can go a step further. And one of the other topics that we talk about on this channel is meditation and consciousness. And the reason for that is because when you start to reach these deep states of pure consciousness, you can set an intention in the present moment and then visualize after that. And the power of your visualization increases substantially. There's a lot more to it, which you can read about, but I wanted to give you that little tidbit because I think that it's so incredibly important that you don't make mistakes and you just put yourself into a state of being as your successful self now, instead of constantly trying to work hard, iterate, and make a lot of mistakes along the way. So that's what this practice of visualization is all about. And if you're interested in going deeper into it, I've released the Visionary 7-Day Program, which is a 7-day course, 20 minutes a day, that leads you through a series of very powerful visualization exercises that cover really the most important parts that entrepreneurs commonly get wrong emotionally, that prevent them from making sales, raising investment, all of these things that I've uncovered through my own experience and working with others. And so if you're interested in that and really want to cut the time it's going to take you to start your business down by 10x at least, then definitely check out this program. There's a link below. I want to leave you off with one final thought, which is we entrepreneurs have a very important place in this world, which is we create companies that shape the lives of so many people. And I think it's incredibly important that as we build companies like this, we always really focus on our company culture and try to make it as great as we can. And that's the community that I'm forming here on YouTube. So if that kind of thinking describes your beliefs, please subscribe to this channel because I'm releasing 3 videos a week all about these different aspects of achieving your goals through visualization and consciousness, which can help you get there faster. So that's it for today. I hope that you got a lot out of this video. Please make that like button blue. And until next week, stay visionary.